So we're back to a bag issue, okay? I mean, you knew it wouldn't take long, right? There's a ride coming up in June, and I'm gonna go on this ride that is called, it's part of Cycle Oregon. It's called Joyride. It is limited to 300 women. So it's women's only ride, and I'm very excited about this. However, I got a little issue, and one of the issues is that I don't know exactly how to prepare for this in terms of the gear and the kind of footage that I want to take. So I've done a little bit of research, and I found a bag that I have in my own closet, and I thought I would try to sort of, use it. Use what you have, right? So the downside of this is it's really a handlebar bag. You'll see in these pictures and in my video that I tried to make, but I had really bad audio. So in this, I tried to use it for being a hip bag, but it doesn't have proper grounding. I don't even know what the right word is, but it doesn't really you can't put it around your waist and or hip area very securely. I then switched to another bag, which is the bag on this bike right now, which is from Good Ordering, and I really like it, but it's not a hip bag either. And then I think to myself, you know what? You have never worn a hip bag. I mean, you do, meaning I wear a sort of crossbody, cute bag that I use for walking and being out and about, but I don't really carry a ton of stuff in it. You know what? All roads seem to lead back to none other than my Timbuk2 bag. Now that is not a hip bag either, but it's a messenger bag, and it seems to be the one that I keep coming back to. I mean, it is just got everything. I haven't done this kind of ride in a while. I mean, I want to fit in. I feel like I'm, a new student at school, and I just want to fit in, and I just want to be chill, right? So mixed e-bike, definitely taking her. This bag, Good Ordering bag, love it, love it, love it, but not sure that it really will hold everything that I think I want. Pacific Northwest weather is quite, shall we say, unpredictable. So it could start out being a really beautiful day and end up being pouring rain. Now, obviously, I have months. I have more than a month before I have to really worry about this. So the issue is really not I don't have to resolve this tomorrow. I'm just trying to get my head around it to practice for, the big day. And it seems like I'm most accustomed to putting a bag in my basket. So maybe I just go the route of the Timbuk2 bag. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I would put it in my front basket, which, I think I know that there are some, folks out there that are gonna be like, okay, you're gonna go on this ride and you're gonna be riding a mixed frame. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not out there to impress anybody. I'm out there to have fun and have a good ride and enjoy myself, because it's called Joyride. Is just put the gear that I think I'm gonna take and put it in there, and then see about squishing it down, and then see how the Osmo Action fits there, and just give it a whirl. And if it's not, then I just need to look for something that was a little taller. Maybe that's the other idea. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you have any suggestions, I would love to know what you suggest, because I know we'll be in some beautiful parts of the world, and I mean, it's 2-day, beautiful parts of the world, meaning we'll be in the Northwest, and whatever you can say or want to say, about the rain or the wind or the sleet or the hail, it's a beautiful part of the world. It's green, it's lush, it's just simply breathtaking. So I just want to be able to capture some of it, and I want to feel comfortable about how I capture some of it. So let me know in the comments what you think, and thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, thanks for being here. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.